Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can screen record your video with Windows default software. For this process we don't need to download any software. We are going to use our Windows 10 default screen recorder software. So for this press Windows plus G. If it's not working then go to your setting, or if it works then you can adjust your setting from setting. Then from setting go to gaming. From here you can see game bar and capture. First, if you want to record your game, then select this one and click it to on it. Then allow your controller to open game bar. If I click Windows plus G, now you see it's working. Now from here you can also change your shortcut from here in capture. It will be capture your gaming video. You can also take a screenshot. You can see in here it's shortcut, or record that, or start or stop. Now select captures. From here first you need to enable this record in the background while I am playing. Click on this on and record the last. You can adjust this. So I'm going to select 10 minutes and select this one, record audio when I record again. Click on this and here you can adjust your audio quality. I'm going to use the highest one, 192. And record video you can also adjust 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. If you select this one, 60 frames per second, you can record your video with high quality. So I'm going to select this one. And in video quality you can also adjust this standard or high. Select high to record high quality video. Now I'm going to close this one and now I'm going to record my video. Now I'm going to open my browser to screen record my video. From here if I click on Windows plus G, now you can see in here if I record my video, if I click this one I can easily record my video like this. Like you can see it start recording our video. If I go to this one, I can easily record my whole video like this. If I click on stop, I can stop my video. Now I'm going to stop recording my video and play my video. So where you can find your video file, I'm going to show you this path. Go to your PC. From here go to videos. In videos go to captures. In capture you can see your video file from here. Like you can see your video quality. So guys, in this way you can easily record your screen in Windows 10 for free. I hope you guys understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.